Hello and welcome to part 5 of the Waste Separation online CPD series. This part of the presentation is to discuss basic issues with waste separation. Part 5. Basic issues with waste separation. Activity 3. Many of our recyclable materials end up in a landfill, and this has a lot to do with improper collection. Are you noticing a challenge to get rubbish placed in the right bin? This is not an isolated issue and can be overcome. We have talked about waste stream colours, which help to identify the correct bin to put rubbish in. We will also talk about signage and graphics. In the commercial world, one of the first barriers to recycling is the cost. When it costs more for recycling bin collection compared to general waste, what is the incentive for businesses to implement a recycling contract? This issue can be overcome by government legislation, for example as seen with household waste, making waste separation mandatory, which means that over time the increased volumes will help reduce the cost involved. If cost was eliminated or subsidised for collection of all recyclable materials, this would make a significant difference. Another barrier to recycling is available storage space. Has the design process factored in designated waste separation bins, cabinets or cupboards for commercial and residential interiors, and storage rooms for the multiple waste streams of the future? Contamination is an issue. Recycling contracts are an investment, and if waste streams are contaminated, the litter is usually sent to landfill, increases costs and defeats the recycling goal. The separation of different types of waste is essential to ensure that recycling actually happens without incorrect waste contaminating correctly disposed rubbish. A common form of contamination is food scraps. If food is found in recycling bins, those contaminated materials cannot be recycled and therefore get sent to landfill. The Council of Australian Governments has banned the export of many unprocessed recyclables, including glass, plastic, paper and cardboard, and rubber tyres. This places extra responsibility on local waste separation and processing. Now refer to Activity 3 and complete the multiple choice question. Thanks for watching. This concludes the 5th episode in the video series.